From the sizes of the stents, we again have the exact same diameters on a wingspan and a Neuroform. So we have a 2.5, a 3, a 3.5, a 4, and a 4.5. So if you just always remember Neuroform wingspan 2.5 to 4.5, the difference is our stents are actually shorter. So we make a 9mm length, a 15mm length, and a 20mm length. Again, you would want to measure the area of stenosis and add on 6mm as your overlay to choose the size of the stent. And when you look at the gateways, we start as small as a 1.5mm. One thing to point out on the 1.5mm gateway is it only has one radiopaque marker in the center of the balloon, and all others have two. So if you were to look at this picture, there's two radiopaque markers. If this was a 1.5 balloon, it would be in the center of the balloon, and you would not have two. But then the balloons go up into quarter sizes after the 1.5. So it goes 1.5 to 2, and then it's 2.25, 2.5, 2.75, 3, 3.25, and all the way up, as you'll see. And the balloons follow the exact same size as a stent, so there's 9, 15, and 20. With the balloon, we do not recommend you have any over purchase. So if the length of the stenosis is 8 or 9, you would want to use a 9mm balloon. If it is a 12mm stenosis, we would recommend you use a 15mm balloon. So you obviously want to cover the length, but we don't ask you to over cover when you're doing the angioplasty. You want it to be measured up as accurately as possible. So I really don't see many uses for the 20mm balloons. It's usually always the 9 or the 15 length. And then the largest size that we go up to in the gateway is a 4.
Yes.
So that's that.